Today, I'll go over my chat money system review. This is a product by Marcel Fernandez. This system, it promises people to have the ability to achieve freedom, whether it's financial, time, location freedom. And a lot of people are interested in this, especially if they're trying to find ways to be their own boss or get away from their boss. And so there are a lot of course, motivations to dive into this. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to get a lot of information to make a more informed decision. And if you stick around, I'll also share a free gift that can help you kickstart your journey to passive income using the latest business automation tech. So a little bit about me. My name is Charles Draven. I'm here in Silicon Valley, and I've spent over a decade building online businesses. And my personal journey started off when I was building up a financial consulting company, and then I realized that after having a kid, getting married, having a house, I realized that a lot of these things they changed my life, and I realized that I needed a more flexible schedule, and so I started looking into more flexible businesses online. And so looked into a lot of different models. I did freelancing, I did affiliate marketing, I did e-com. I also had my own local website agency. And a lot of these businesses that I was looking at, I realized that there are a lot that were very complex. Some of them didn't generate any income, and some of them just weren't a right fit. So then after finding some success, I decided to create InfoSpike TV. And this channel, it is dedicated to help people, everyday people, succeed with simple business models. So I like to keep it simple. So a quick disclaimer, I am not an affiliate of this product that I'm reviewing, so I don't earn any money directly from them. So who is Marcel Fernandez? He's a Brazilian entrepreneur and digital marketing expert, and he gained a lot of prominence through his online training program, the Chat Money System, which teaches individuals how to become digital marketing brokers by connecting businesses with service providers via Instagram. And the unique selling proposition here is that it is a simple system, it's very accessible, and it has been made to be very easy so anyone can actually utilize the system. And the promise here is that customers can make money by utilizing email marketing and also affiliate strategies. So let's dive into my SWOT analysis here. Here are the strengths. The chat money system is user-friendly, making it very ideal for beginners. It offers a flexible working schedule, allowing you to work whenever you can. Plus, it leverages proven marketing strategies that can lead to significant income. Here are the weaknesses. Some users find it lacks advanced training. And then there could be a steep learning curve for those that are totally unfamiliar with online businesses. Additionally, the initial results may not meet everyone's expectations. Here are the opportunities. The growing market for online income solutions, as you have noticed, especially in recent years, a lot of creators are diving into digital businesses. They are looking into various ways to monetize their business, whatever platform that they've been going into, whether it's YouTube or social media like Facebook or Instagram or even TikTok. A lot of people are diving into these different ways to make money online. And collaborating with other marketers could enhance your business growth. That is something that could be a benefit for you. Here are the threats. With all of the different alternatives available, there is a lot of competition out there, and the changes in online regulations could impact these strategies. Economic downturns can also affect the disposable income and spending on these online courses. So is it a scam? I don't think so. I think it's crucial to approach it with very realistic expectations, because a lot of people go into this and think it's going to be just this immediate life-changing system where they could start making tons and tons of money and within a relatively short amount of time make a killing. And so I think you have to set your expectations that even though there's a lot of hype around the system, those expectations of making tons of money very, very quickly, it's not quite possible for a lot of people, especially that are just getting started out online. So my opinion is that the system, it offers solid foundation for those wanting to earn money online. Yet I think there are better programs out there. So if you are searching for a way to gain time, location, and financial freedom, My personal pick is looking into a special kind of high ticket affiliate marketing. That's what I'm very much into. And here are the big benefits here is that you can earn higher commissions on fewer sales, making it more efficient. And if you have been looking at ways to sell online or promote other people's products, you'll realize that there are a lot of products out there. Like let's say this system that I'm talking about, the initial cost is $97. While you can make some decent commissions on that, the thing is that there are other programs that are available where you could make 3, 4, even 5 figures per sale. And by doing that, you'll be able to reach your sales targets, your income target faster than a lot of other programs out there. So it's also very scalable. So a lot of people will think about a tight niche that doesn't have a lot of competition, but unfortunately, these very small niches, they don't have a lot of scale. So if you are trying to find a way to create financial freedom, you want to look at something that is extremely scalable. And of course, looking into this, there are a lot of skills that you can build. So one thing that I realized selling high ticket products is that it's actually a very life-changing process because obviously if you are not making any sales, if you are not making very good extra income or none at all, you'll realize that to get to that point where you want to get that type of income, whether it's like some extra cash in your pocket, like a side hustle, or even an extra 4 or 5 figures, you have to transform yourself into something different than what you are now. And so I believe that going through this process is a very good self-development journey, and you'll be learning a lot of lifelong skills. And also with these high ticket programs that I promote, they have a very good supportive community. So if you ever need to connect with others that are like-minded, people that are going through similar situation as you, and also get coaching from the top, these systems that I promote, they do actually have that component. And what I teach, again, I like to keep it simple. So the business models that I promote, they're very straightforward and they're very easy to follow. And one thing that you can get from me, what I do for a lot of my customers is that I provide a private coaching group. It's something where you'll be able to contact me directly. You'll be able to get access to my video training. And if you have any questions along the way, you can feel free to ask me. So one thing I want to share with you, just to give you an idea of what this is all about, is that I'm giving away a free gift. And this free gift will allow you to understand what it takes to make money online, especially high ticket income. So all you have to do is go to the first pinned comment below, check it out, and then you'll be able to get a lot of information from that. So that is all for today. I provided you some information, a lot about Marcel Fernandez's chat money system. Hopefully you got a lot from this review. And that's all for today. Take care.